Good morning, distinguished speakers, ladies and gentlemen. Our hearty welcome to all of you from the Holistic Science Charitable Research Foundation. My name is Rajnikant Patel and I am one of the directors of the foundation. The foundation is a non-dimensional, non-profit organization focusing on achieving a balance in all aspects of life. That's internal as well as external. That means physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. We welcome members of all faiths and encourage them to continue practicing their faith while incorporating the universal principles of holistic science living, some of which we'll be discussing today. Let us look at our life. We have a lot of stress about everyday life, a lot of worries, and also fear of unknown. We move very fast and often get lost in the unconscious flow of our days. We cannot control the things outside of us. We cannot make people act the way they want us to act. And even we cannot make ourselves act the way we want to act. Is that familiar with everybody?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. So, the good news is that our feeling of unworthiness, as I call it, if you really think about it, our self-judgment is due to ignorance. It is not who we are. Moments come and go. What doesn't come and go is who we really are, what we really are, and how we can handle moments without fear, being happy and a positive attitude. Holistic science provides a universal principles which are used for our inner discovery to change our beliefs, to be positive and happy in all situations. Our five senses make us aware of what's happening, and then they transmit the information internally. Based on our belief or knowledge, which is of unconscious nature, holistic scientists say, we react. For example, somebody calls us an idiot, or say, "You are no good." Immediate effect is our ego gets hurt. And then normal reaction, unconscious reaction, is to defend ourselves. This will result in a stressful situation in which harmony of two people, or three people, or four people will get disturbed. So here, holistic inner science, what we're going to talk today about, provides a conscious inward decision. My goal is to be happy. I am going to avoid clashes. Akraman Tarviche Mare. This is a very simple, short, two words given by the holistic sciences. So with that understanding, I have been called something that I am not. I am going to resolve the situation amically, and I'm going to make sure other person and myself is happy. That is what all holistic science is about. We'll be discussing similar challenging situations of everyday life all throughout the program. I like to leave some quotes which fits the holistic inner science. First one is, if fear leaves us and we cannot become fearless, then nobody fears us. This was saying from the holistic scientist, His Divine Holiness Sri Kanudale. Second one is, when our life ceases to be inward and private, conversation degenerates into gossip. This is given by Henry David Thoreau, who was an American poet and a philosopher. Third one, what lies behind us, what lies in front of us is a tiny matter compared to what lies within. This was said by Ralph Waldo Emerson. So each one of us has carved out some precious time for today to come here to gain something and to learn more about inner happiness. So we have prepared a whole day's program to meet your expectations. We will provide information mainly in the evening, and in the afternoon we plan to do some practical sessions where we can have a dialogue of our everyday issues and problems. Please write down, jot down some questions, and we'll try to answer them throughout the day. So our journey for inner happiness begins now, and there's another quote of Aristotle. Everybody knows Aristotle. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. So what we like to do in holistic science, let's make a habit to be excellent in inner happiness. With this, I invite Manish Shah, President of the North Central Zone of Holistic Science Foundation, who is an Assistant Dean and a Professor of Management, to lead us to the holistic science and integral living and unique tools for purposeful life, harmonious and rich living. Manish, thank you very much.